I've finally done it! I can finally target and reprogram specific DNA sequences! Oh hi, my name is Yoshizumi Ishino, and I'm the leading scientist for the CRISPR development program. This tool, CRISPR-Cas9, can be programmed to target specific genetic sequences and modify DNA at specified locations. This allows us to permanently modify genes in living organisms. This technology is very exciting for us researchers. It can make it possible to correct mutations at precise locations of the human genome in order to treat genetic causes of disease. Endless treatment options are possible with the gene editing we can do. The potential of this technology is so vast, no doubt the world will be changed. Genetic disorders and diseases can be a thing of the past, and superhumans are right on our radar. Let's look at how these two families are using this amazing technology.
Oh honey, I'm so worried. What if this doesn't work?
Don't worry, baby. It's gonna be alright.
Good morning. What brings you to the Caring CRISPR clinic today?
We've been to the hospital earlier this month and our baby was screened positive for cystic fibrosis. A friend referred us here.
We're here today to learn more about our options with regards to ensuring our baby has a healthy future.
Ah, yes. Well, you've definitely come to the right place. CRISPR is a bleeding-edge technology that lets us treat these diseases for life. However, there could be some unpredictable risks with this new technology that you should be cautious about.
We just want what's best for our child. We're willing to take this risk.
Mommy, look at me!
Honey, I'm so glad we did that treatment.
Hello, I take it that you have seen our genetic modification option for creating the superstars of tomorrow?
Yes, I have. I'm 3 months pregnant with our baby boy. My husband and I are huge fans of the Olympics.
As soon as we heard about this clinic, we knew what we wanted for our child. What package should we be looking into?
Ah yes, we have just the right package for your baby. Our newest sports enhancement option lets you target up to 10 genes to make your baby the fastest and the strongest. I will recommend the Actin-3 gene for increasing the muscle performance.
That sounds amazing. We're definitely interested. How much would it cost?
I just mentioned is our newest and most specialized technology. It will have a base cost of $150,000 and we will provide additional monitoring for any potential side effects too.
Well, that seems like a no-brainer. Oh, honey, I'm so excited for our new baby.
Yeah, babe. Our little boy will be the next Usain Bolt.
Down with CRISPR!
This is an abomination!
Gene editing is unnatural!
What about our gene pool?
This is discrimination on a whole other level!
I don't want no muties.
This ain't God's plan!
Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. It's very clear that a lot of people are angry at how CRISPR might be used. If we don't come up with regulations quick enough, CRISPR might just be used to make designer babies instead of treating people, and the commercialization of this could pose huge problems. On the other hand, there are so many conditions that CRISPR could possibly treat. We just need to make sure that CRISPR is used properly.
I think it's clear that CRISPR can allow the creation of super babies if we let people use them for enhancements instead of for treatments. We should try considering laws that prevent genetic discrimination if CRISPR becomes used for this purpose. Just because someone has a predisposition to a certain medical condition doesn't mean that the healthier super babies should take over their roles in any commercial setting. We don't want people rejected from jobs simply because they were born with the wrong genes. The net benefit from genetic discrimination would greatly outweigh the costs from people who haven't enhanced themselves with CRISPR.
It's also really important we give more funding to CRISPR research. We need more information about the risks of using CRISPR so we can make more stringent regulations and only allow use of it in appropriate use cases. I believe this is very important for maintaining genetic diversity, especially if we all try to modify the same gene for enhancement purposes, because we believe we all know the possible consequences. Yes, this may slow down research, but we cannot forget about our obligation to the public and our responsibility to prevent treatments from entering the market prematurely.
Another proposal that we could have is that we could also introduce laws that require consent for the use of CRISPR and educate anyone wanting to receive CRISPR treatment about its risks and benefits. We should also restrict prenatal modification so they're only used for genetic disorders that have no other possible treatment options. This super baby issue could potentially cause a slippery slope of wanting to use CRISPR for purposes that are increasingly diverging from therapeutic applications. I know that the line between what's therapeutic and not can be blurred, and this could limit its use for genuine purposes, but non-medical uses of CRISPR can encourage commercialization, drive up costs, and prevent people from receiving proper treatment. This would be a huge detriment to the potential CRISPR has to treat disorders.
Thank Mikey.